give a hold to our
20
speech
seconds.
and let's hear to the launch countdown from Mission Control Center.
Minus 15 seconds. 10, 9, 8.
That's this. By the way,
7,
those are liquid boosters
6,
and a
5,
solid fuel core stage.
4,
There's ignition.
3, 2, 1, 0.
There it goes. I believe that is ice breaking off the rocket there.
Majestic liftoff and a very good launch of the GSLV F-10.
Usually means I don't think it's in orbit.
Has announced it.
सफलतापूर्ण उत्थापन GSLV F-10 का अपने प्रमोशन मंच से सामान्य काम करते हुए और रेंज ऑपरेशन डायरेक्टर ने अभी घोषणा की सामान्य निष्पादन प्रथम चरण का। इसकी गर्जना हम यहां बैठकर सुन सकते हैं, यह बहुत ही रोमांचक होता है। GSLV F-10 अपने निर्दिष्ट पथ की ओर।
The steering program of the launch vehicle is designed to enable vertical liftoff until clearing the umbilical tower, which takes about 7 seconds. Then the roll maneuver is implemented to orient the launch vehicle axis along the intended launch azimuth. About 30 seconds into the flight, the gravity turn is initiated. Nominal thrust is 4,815 kilonewtons. The pitch, yaw and roll control is through gimbal of L40 engines.
GSLV F-10 is traveling eastward after liftoff from Shar coast. The two TTC stations at Shar will provide real-time telemetry data to Mission Control Center from liftoff minus 30 minutes to 500 seconds after liftoff. When
I think we have cut off the boosters, at the very least.
S-139 burnout. L-40 is continuing.
Oh, so the core burns out first and the boosters carry on. That's interesting. That is an odd sign that you have the core burning longer.
Stage performance normal.
इस क्रम में अगला L-40 जो कि तरल नोदक पर आधारित L-40 स्ट्रैप-ऑन्स हैं, उनका ज्वलन काल 153 सेकंड का होता है।
L-40 engines shut off.
We have the state separation.
Engine started.
That is a liquid fuel engine, and I think that's going to be another solid fuel. But we'll just see here.
रॉकेट से वियोजित हो चुका है तथा GS2 चरण का प्रज्वलन हो चुका है।
Oh, never mind. The third stage is cryogenic.
Plus 3 minutes.
These are the flight parameters on your TV screens right now. We are 3 minutes after the launch.
Second stage performance normal.
The GS2 stage with Earth storable liquid propulsion system is the second stage of the launch vehicle. It is powered with high thrust Vikas engine which flew for the first time in GSLV F-08 and uses a longer propellant tank from GSLV F-11. This stage is loaded with about 42 tons of hypergolic propellants stored in two aluminum alloy tanks of 2.8 meter diameter separated by common bulkhead and is powered with a turbopump fed high thrust Vikas engine. The engine is provided with two plain propellants for pitch and yaw using electromechanical actuators.
A major flight event has taken place just now, that is the separation of the payload fairing. We are 255 seconds after the launch. The altitude currently is 123 kilometers.
The roll control of GS2 was achieved by hot gas roll control system.
ऊष्मा कवच अभी पृथक हो चुका है हमारे रॉकेट से। इसका यह मतलब है कि हमारा रॉकेट अब घने वायुमंडल से पार जा चुका है।
Second stage engine shut off.
अब GS2 को बंद कर
There we go, so now we're on to the cryogenic stage.
5 minutes.
तत्पश्चात
Cryo stage
GS3
ignition
क्रायो
command.
स्टेज इंजन का प्रज्वलन हो चुका है और वह सामान्य निष्पादन कर रहा है। यह अंतिम चरण है जो हमारे उपग्रह EOS-3 को निर्दिष्ट कक्षा में स्थापित करेगा।
There is a confirmation about the start of the third stage of the flight, the GS3, the cryogenic upper stage, which is the third stage of GSLV. It functions on cryogenic LOX and LH2.
Liquid oxygen,
The
liquid
stage
hydrogen, for those
uses
not familiar.
India's first indigenously developed cryogenic engine, CE 7.5, which operates in staged combustion cycle. Thus,
I
has
don't
the
think
unique
it's meant to be
feature
doing
of thrust
that.
and mixture ratio control system,
That's diverging.
which can be fine-tuned.
Congratulations,
based
I
on
believe we've seen a
requirements.
launch failure.
6 minutes.
The
I'll say
stage
congratulations
uses
now.
two steering engines, is having two plane gimballing provision for
Those two
mid,
steering
yaw
engines are
and
just an
roll
issue.
control.
'Cause the
After
thing is
continued
diverging.
success, the stage was modified with a length increase to accommodate higher propellant loading for better payload capability. This re-engineered C-15 stage with 15 tons propellant loading has been flown in GSLV F-11 and is flowing in the present mission and planned in future missions.
You can see they're starting to perk
This
up.
is the 8th
That's
time
not
that
good.
is flying
Things are
in
going wrong.
cryo stage for GSLV.
This is a loss of vehicle.
The nominal thrust of GS3 is 73.97
Yep, we are
kilonewtons,
watching a loss of vehicle
and the
here.
specific impulse is
Plus 7 minutes.
And let's face it, at this point, if the thing's going to go off and there's nothing they can do about it at that point, it's just best to, self-destruct. I'm curious to whether they'll announce that something's gone wrong. Because they're not showing the telemetry anymore. And that was a substantial dip. It's either an all-out engine failure, or just steering engines failed. Now things got interesting.
Plus 8 minutes.